Let's talk about the benefits of fasting and the supplements you should consider taking while fasting. Fasting has been around for thousands of years and has been practiced by many cultures for various reasons. One of the main benefits of fasting is weight loss. When you fast, your body goes into a state of ketosis where it burns stored fat for energy. This leads to weight loss and can also improve insulin sensitivity, leading to better overall health. Another benefit of fasting is increased longevity. Studies have shown that fasting can extend lifespan and improve overall health. It's believed that fasting can activate cellular repair processes and help the body rid itself of damaged cells. But what about supplements? While fasting, it's important to make sure you're getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. Consider taking a multivitamin and mineral supplement to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. You may also want to consider taking a B-complex supplement, as fasting can deplete B vitamins. Another supplement to consider is electrolytes. Fasting can cause you to lose water weight, and with it, important electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Taking an electrolyte supplement can help replace these essential nutrients and keep you feeling healthy and energized while fasting. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids can be beneficial while fasting. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation and support brain health. They can also help regulate hunger hormones, which can be especially helpful during fasting periods. If you're practicing intermittent fasting or a prolonged fast, consider taking a probiotic supplement. Fasting can disrupt the delicate balance of good bacteria in the gut, and taking a probiotic can help replenish these good bacteria and keep your gut health in check. Fasting can have numerous health benefits, but it's important to consider supplementing your diet with essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals during a fast. This will ensure you're staying healthy and energized, and getting the most out of your fasting experience. Before I share who should perhaps not fast, please like and subscribe. It will help us reach more people. It's important to keep in mind that while fasting can have numerous health benefits, it's not suitable for everyone. Those with certain health conditions such as diabetes or low blood pressure should avoid fasting without medical supervision. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also avoid fasting. And, it's important to listen to your body while fasting. If you experience any negative side effects such as dizziness, weakness, or headaches, stop fasting immediately and consult with your doctor. So, to summarize, the benefits of fasting include weight loss, increased longevity, and improved overall health. Supplements such as a multivitamin and mineral, B-complex, electrolytes, omega-3 fatty acids, and probiotics can help support your body during a fast. But, always consult with your doctor before starting any new diet or supplement regimen.